everyone, I am Nivedita. I am pursuing my final year BBA in Shishadipuram Degree College, Mysuru. I am explaining problems regarding the topic probability. Now let us see the problems which might come in the examination for 20 or 15 marks. First question is, one card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of playing cards. Find the probability that the card is drawn is a heart, a king, belongs to red suit, is a king or a queen, is a king or a heart. Whenever a question arises that of playing cards, we need to have some basic knowledge regarding the playing cards. That the pack consists of 52 cards and those cards are divided into two suits, that is black suits which consist of 26 cards and red suit which consists of 26 cards. Both becomes the 52 cards. And also those 52 cards are divided into four types, that is the spade which consists of 13 cards and it is denoted by the symbol like a leaf. Next is the diamond which consists of 13 cards and is denoted by the symbol diamond. And third is heart which consists of 13 cards and it is denoted by the symbol heart shape. And fourth is the club which consists of 13 cards and it is denoted by this symbol. And also there will be some honor cards, that are the king which consists of 4 cards, queen which consists of 4 cards, and ace which consists of 4 cards, and last jack which consists of 4 cards. And now we will go back to our question. What they have asked is that find the probability that the card is drawn is. Whenever the probability question arises, we must first analyze whether the given question belongs to a permutation question or a combination question. How to know whether it is a permutation or combination is that if the question is like arranging of seats or arranging of family members for a photograph or arranging of plates, then we should analyze that it is a question of a permutation. Whereas for combination, we have to analyze whether it will be given like selecting a coin, selecting a card, or selecting a ball out of 10 balls, etc. So here the question given is that find the probability that the card is drawn. Drawn is nothing but selecting. So we can analyze that this question is of a combination question. So coming to our solution part. Solution is that there are 52 cards in a pack and we have to select one among those 52 cards. As in the question they have given, one card is drawn. So we have to select only one among those 52 cards. So the total number of cards is 52C1, that is out of 52 cards we have to select only one. So we'll write this as 52C1. 52C1 is nothing but 52. So therefore the total number of cards is 52. The first sub question is that a card drawn is heart. This we can consider as event A. And for any question the probability formula is that number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So we have find the total number of outcomes. Now we have to find the number of favorable outcomes. So the number of favorable outcomes is 13C1 because here it is given as drawn is a heart. There are 13 hearts in a pack of 52 cards. Out of 13 hearts we have to select only one. So 13C1. 13C1 is nothing but 13. So the probability of event A is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. That is, the number of favorable outcomes of event A is 13 and total number of outcomes is 52. So 13 divided by 52, this can be divisible by 13. So 13 ones are 13, 13 fours are 52. This can be simplified as 1 divided by 4. The next sub question is a card drawn is a king. This we can consider as event B. One thing you have to remember is that the total number of outcomes will be same for the entire question, but the number of favorable outcomes will differ from one sub question to the another sub question. So let us see. The number of favorable outcomes for a king is 4c1, that is, out of 4 kings we have to select only one king. So 4c1 is equals to 4. Probability of event B is equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. The number of favorable outcomes of event B is 4 and total number of outcomes for event B is 52. So 4 divided by 52. This can be simplified by divisible of 4. So 4 ones are 4 13s are. The third sub question is belongs to red suit. This we can consider as event C. Number of favorable outcomes is 26C1 because out of 26 red suit cards we have to select only one card. So 26C1 is nothing but 26. Probability of event C is equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So 26 divided by 52. This can be divisible by 26. So 26 ones are and 26 twos are. That is nothing but 1 divided by 2. Fourth sub question is a king or a queen. This we can consider as event D. One thing you can notice here, they have given OR. Whenever OR comes, we have to add, or whenever AND in place of OR, if AND is given, we have to multiply. So let us see how it is being simplified. That is, the number of favorable outcomes is 4c1. That is, out of 4 king cards we have to select one king, or out of 4 queen cards we have to select one card, because in the question they have given only one card is drawn out of 52 cards. So we have to see whether a king or a queen. So here they have given OR. So we have to add. So 4c1 is 4 plus 4c1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Probability of event D is equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. That is 8 divided by 52. This can be divisible by 4. That is 4 twos are and 4 13s are. So it is 2 divided by 13. The fifth sub question is a king or a heart? This we can say it is the most important question of the probability. You can see here they are asked is a king or a heart. In the above question also they have asked is a king or a queen. Here also they have asked OR, and here also they have asked OR. But this difference between these two sub question is that here this is a honor cards and here it is one face card and it is one of the type of the cards. So here it differs. Number of favorable outcomes is 4c1. That is, out of 4 kings we have to select one, or out of 13 hearts we have to select 1. So 13c1 minus 1. This minus 1 is because this is a honor card and this is a type of a suit. So here it differs. So we have to minus. Whenever a question arises, like for example, is a queen or a spade, is a ace or a diamond, you have to write that is the 4c1 or 3c1 etc. or 13c1 minus 1. So 4c1 is 4 or 13c1 is 13 minus 1. So 4 plus 13 minus 1. 4 plus 13 is 17. 17 minus 1 is 16. So the probability of event E is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. That is 16 divided by 52. This can be divisible by 4. So 4 4s are 16 and 4 13s are 52. So this we can simplify as 4 divided by 13. Now we can see the question which might come in the examination for 10 marks.
That is, a bag contains 4 white, 2 black and 4 yellow marbles. A marble is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability of getting a white marble, a non-white marble, a white or a yellow marble. So first, for this question, we have to add all the marbles, that is 4 white marbles plus 2 black marbles plus 4 yellow marbles. So this becomes 10 marbles. So there are 10 marbles in a bag. In those 10 marbles, we have to select one marble. How we can consider this as selecting one marble is that in the question they have asked, it is drawn. So it is nothing but a combination question. So I am selecting one marble out of 10 marbles. So total number of marbles is 10C1. That is nothing but 10. First sub question is a white marble. This we can consider as event A. Number of favorable outcomes is 4C1. That is, out of 4 white marbles, we have to select only one marble. So 4C1 is nothing but 4. Probability of event A is equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So 4 divided by 10 is nothing but 2 divided by 5. This can be divisible by 2. Second sub question is a non-white marble. This we can consider as event B. In the question they have asked a non-white marble. That means the reverse of white marble or complement or opposite of white marble. Whenever in the examination if a question arises like a non or opposite of a given marble, then you have to write the formula as P of A plus P of A dash is equals to 1. That is, P of A, it is 2 divided by 5 as you had solved the first sub question, plus P of A dash. This we have to find, so we have to write as it is P of A dash is equals to 1. Now we have to transpose. That is, if it is a positive, then we have to make it as negative, and whether it is a negative, we have to make it as positive, because here they have given equal sign. So P of A dash is equals to 1 minus 2 divided by 5. Now we have to take LCM. P of A dash is equals to 5 minus 2 divided by 5. P of A dash is equals to 3 divided by 5. This is the answer for the sub question B. Third sub question, a white or yellow marble. This we can consider as event C. Number of favorable outcomes is, out of 4 white marbles, we have to select one marble, or out of 4 yellow marbles, we have to select one marble. So 4C1 is nothing but 4. Instead of or, we have to write the symbol plus. 4C1 is nothing but 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So probability of event C is equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. That is 8 divided by 10. This can be divisible by 2. So 2 4s are 2 5s are. That is 4 divided by 5. I hope you all understood these two problems. Thank you.